Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can assign a ringtone to contact on your Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. So to do this, you have to open the phone dialer and then move to the contacts in the right bottom corner. Then select one of the contact, click on the three dots in the right upper corner and tap to set the ringtone. Right now you can find a list of few default ringtones. For example, if you want to switch to the natural, just click on it and click OK. When you tap to the other ringtone, you will be moved to the recent files, and when you click on the left upper corner on these three lines, you will be able to navigate between audio, downloads and your internal storage. So we can basically pick any file that you want and set it up as the default song. For example, we can get this one and we can just click OK. And that's how we can do this. So that's all for this video. Hope you like it.